Hi everyone! In today's video something different. Spicy pan-fried chicken thighs in almost burnt onions. I am Paula Romero and I want to share with you simple ways to cook good food. Guess what is the main ingredient for this recipe? Onions. That's right, but they have to be almost burnt. When I say almost burnt, I mean that they have to go beyond the caramelized point. So stick with me to the end of this video, you will see what I'm talking about. Let's get started! We're going to start by seasoning the chicken thighs with some salt, black pepper, some minced ginger and fresh garlic paste. I also like to add some red pepper flakes for an extra heat, because we're making this dish spicy today, but if you don't like spicy foods, that's okay, you can leave the red pepper flakes out. I'm gonna give this a toss. You actually can add the spices that you like. If you don't like any of this, if you're not a big fan of ginger, you can add, replace with cumin, smoked paprika, whatever spices that you like. I like ginger a lot, so I'm adding this to the dish. Okay, done. We're gonna set this aside and move to the next step. Now, in a large pot, we're gonna, over medium heat, we're gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 large diced onions. I know it's a lot of onions, but it's the main ingredient for this dish. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of olive oil. So let's say about 5 tablespoons for 1 large onion. We're gonna reduce the heat to low and cook the onions, stirring once in a while for about 12 to 15 minutes, almost to the point that where they appear to be burnt. The onions must be cooked slowly and at low heat. This is to bring out the deep, rich, sweet flavor as the natural sugars in the onions caramelize. But remember, we are gonna pass the caramelized point, so keep an eye on the onions. The onions are almost ready. Keep an eye on the onions at this point. Don't leave them unattended because they can burn very, very quickly. When the onions get to this color, See, they're dark. We're gonna add the chicken thighs. Stir well the chicken thighs so they can be well coated with the onions. And we're gonna continue cooking this in low heat. We're gonna continue cooking the chicken thighs for about 8 to 10 minutes, scraping all the brown bits at the bottom of the pot because they have lots of flavor. And we don't want to miss that flavor. Let's check the chicken. I'm gonna add just a couple tablespoons of water. The water will help to release the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. We don't want to leave them behind because they are gold. And this is it. I'm gonna turn off the heat and the chicken is ready. Look at this color. It smells amazing. Last time saying this, but I have to. Do not forget to scrape the bottom of the pot. These almost burnt onions here are gold. That's it. Done. Now, who would ever thought that almost burnt onions could turn regular chicken thighs into such a nice dish like this, huh? The sweetness of the onions, the freshness from the ginger, the kick from the red pepper flakes. Man, it's an explosion of flavors in your mouth, as I like to say. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye! So good!